Wow, times really fly. In this video, I will be sharing with you some of the things that we have done. A traditional Swedish cottage party where neighbors bring out food, music, and some crazy dance. And I cannot believe my boyfriend LG, he got so drunk at the party that he literally fall asleep in the middle of it. Besides partying, we also cycle a lot, discovering hidden trails, Swedish Fika spot, and also a lake that I even never know exists. Towards the end of this vlog, I will show you some crazy stuff I bought. Make sure you stay tuned until the end. I am Estee. I'm a Singaporean living in North Sweden. Welcome to my channel. Whether you are a Singaporean wondering how different life can be, or a slow traveler looking for the off-beaten path experience, this episode is full of laughter, peace, and a few very Swedish surprises. From the kampong vibe of Singapore to the cozy countryside of Sweden, I hope this video inspires you to chase joys, simplicity, and maybe a little bit of adventure on two wheels. Okay, now we are going for our street party, the party that I've been waiting for. So let's go. These are the stuff that I'm bringing. I'm bringing bayani sauce, 2 beer, 1 dung, 5 liters of wine, and then I have my coleslaw, my potato salad, and my grill. Let's go. And here are the moments of our party. We're quite lucky. The weather was really nice. It's not so hot, it's not too cold. Perfect for an outdoor party. I enjoy watching LG dance. He has a very unique move. He will dance to whoever that is moving. I think he's at the stage of being quite drunk. I just need to keep an eye on him so that he will not fall on his face. And if you wonder, do I get jealous when he dances with other women? No, not at all. As long as he is having fun and not getting too crazy, I'm fine with this. I still remember one of my neighbors often said, "It is a real party when you fall down." As you can tell, LG really has a great party. He fell down onto his sofa instead. And this evening with a hot tub at our neighbor's place. This year I started a new hobby, cycling. Our e-bike took us to many beautiful places effortlessly. We found a tiny lake where the local used to swim here many years ago. It's located beside a dam. It's so peaceful and it's a perfect place for Fika. I made some chicken curry puff, which is my favorite snacks when I go out cycling. This is so easy to bring and so delicious. I'm curious to know what are your favorite snacks when you go out for a picnic. After some rest, we decided to hit the road again. After 50 kilometers of cycling, our legs were like jelly. When we arrive home, we end up lying in our tent, enjoying the sunset. To us, cycling is not just exercise, it is a therapy. The next morning, we joined our neighbor to a nearby cottage area for a flea market shopping. The Swedish cottage neighbor set up the table like a pasar malam, but all in Angmo version lah. And most of the time, I'm just enjoying browsing the beautiful display. I usually don't buy stuff unless I found something that I need or something that I really like. I found this lion that reminds me of Singapore merlion. It would be perfect for my house entrance. And I also got these two beautiful golden candle holder for just $1. And this stainless steel pot to keep my sauce warm. I also got a bunch of free fabric. This will be perfect to uphold my broken sun chair. Overall, we are really happy with what we bought today. And it's time to go home. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this experience. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next.